Hello guys, so today I'll be making my minigun that I made a really long time ago. I already have a tutorial for this, but then it's in my grain video, so I wanted to make a separate video for it. So first, you're going to start out with a bird base, so you fold it in half, and you fold it in half again. Then you're going to open this pocket and fold them down. You're going to flip it over and fold the flap to the other side, like that. Then you're going to do the same thing, open this pocket and fold that down. Okay, now where the open side is, you're going to bring this two side to the center line, like so. Then you're going to fold the top triangle down, like that. Then you're going to open this and follow the crease line and fold the crease line down, like so. Okay, do the same thing on the other side, just open this flap up, then fold down the crease lines that I just created. Okay, now you're going to open these two flaps. You're going to pull this apart and flatten this triangle. So yeah, and just fold the side down. Then you're going to fold this in half, so. Then bring this two flaps down, like that. Okay. Then have it this way, and you're gonna fold this flap up, like that, just to the center of this. Okay, and you're going to fold these flaps together, like so, to the middle, and fold it down, like that. Okay, and same thing on the other side. Fold them in half, then pinch them together in the middle. Okay, now you're going to fold this inward like that. So you're going to open this pocket and fold it back, like so. Okay. Then you're going to fold this in half. Oh wait, before that you're going to bring the flap forward like this. Then you're going to fold this in half. Okay. Now you're going to fold this off to the side like this. Then bring the flap down right around there and put the point into this pocket here. So put the rest of them in here. Okay, like so. Okay, Then you take the left flap on the side, then you're going to fold it back. So you're going to open this pocket and fold it back like that. If it's hard to fold like things back, you can always make crease line then fold it back. Like I'll show you. Like make a crease line first, then you can fold it backward, or you can always just fold it backward. Okay, then you fold the point up like that 90 degrees. Then you're going to fold the bottom point off to the side. Okay, like that. Okay, then you open this pocket. Okay, and fold it forward. Then you're going to fold the tip of that in like so. Okay, and just fold the point off to the side, like that. Okay, but straight. Yeah. Okay. Then you're going to bring this point to the center here, like that. Then you're going to bring these 2 points also to that point. Then you're going to zigzag fold this triangle. So first you're going to fold it towards outside to that same point. Then you're going to fold that forward, like so. Okay. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to open this pocket and make the side parallel to each other. Like that, then just fold in the point. Okay. Then you're going to bring this side up to this side here. Okay. Where my thumb is, this side. So fold this rectangle in half. Okay. Like that. Okay, like that. Then you're going to zigzag fold it up, like that. Then fold another zigzag in the front to make that ring. Like that. So there's 2 zigzag fold next to each other, like that, and fold it in half. Then bring the bottom side to the center line, like that. Okay. Like that. Then you fold this, the top, fold the side here in half, like so, and also the front side like that, and do that all to all the sides. So It's hard to see, but you're folding, so there's like 1, 2. So there's 4 sides in the back and 4 sides in the front, and you're going to fold them in half, like that. So it makes like a cross. Okay. But that's kind of crooked. Yeah, but you can fix that. So they're flat now, and you're folding them in half. Okay. Sort of like that. Okay, and here is my minigun. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day.